6, a precision instrument used to prepare transmission electron microscope samples. The system consists of a spindle here which spins, and this one has that grinding tool here, and there is a table also rotates on which the sample is mounted. The table is a magnetically held specimen holder. This is a specimen holder stuck with a double-sided tape, and this is the magnetic table here, and centering bracket. And then so first lower the rotation of the spindle, and then after installing it, we have to first look at the sample position height and lock it in. So once we lock it in, we should make sure that the needle moves with this dial gauge here. Say we want to bring it down from about 20 microns, so we set it at a number which is on the reading, while this one is indicating 0 microns here. The dial here indicates about 146. So as the sample starts to grind down, or as there is a dimple made inside the sample, the reading will start to go down. So I'm going to start the table rotation first. There is a small timer here which can be set about 10 minutes or 55 minutes like that, and then we can notice as the wheel turns, the dial gauge jumps a little bit because of the regulatory of the cutting tool here. A new tool should not do, even if it does, it should do very minimum. So this sample preparation tool is useful for materials such as ceramics, semiconductors, metals, and combination of those. So it's a simple device, and once the desired sample surface is achieved, we can either, if it is a timer mode, the table rotation and the spindle rotation will stop automatically. So the timer is enabled by this green button here. So I'm going to demonstrate manually. So I will lower the spindle speed and turn off the table and then unlock it. And I'm going to show a small monocular microscope which will be included with this system. And this microscope enables to view the sample surface, whether the desired finish is achieved or not. So various polishing or tools are available. Grinding wheels are available from the manufacturer, and there is a counterweight. We can adjust the counterweight either 20 grams or 40 grams by rotating this. So as we rotate this knob closer to 40 here, so the weight that is on the sample surface is equal to 40 grams.